In this video, we will show you how to create a trace any bitmap with holes, that is, any stencil-like bitmap in which part of the design is based on the background color that shows through the bitmap's lines. When importing bitmap images, one of the available handling options is to auto-digitize trace the artwork of the image. The tricky thing is when you have those stencil-like bitmaps, like this dog here, where all the features of the face are actually the background color which shows through the black lines of the bitmap. The tracer would normally recognize the overall shape as a two-color image and would put stitches on them. That means that the features of the face are now shown as white stitched areas. But what if I just want to get the same black-only design of the bitmap trimmed around the features of the face as is my original bitmap? Simply removing the white stitched area would leave me with a big black blot with no face features whatsoever. Don't worry though, we have a couple of super easy ways for you to do this. Let's trace the bitmap from scratch for those who may not know exactly how to do it. So, start by importing the image. Use the Auto-digitize Trace option. Set the number of colors to 2 and trace the image. As you can see, the tracer has recognized all parts of the image. So you can now ungroup and remove any unneeded parts. But these white parts are part of the background, and if you remove them, the whole is removed. Now, start the quite wisely named Magic Wand tool and click on the black part. Just like that, you get the stencil-like dog figure. In the same way, if you use the Combine option, the white parts create holes on the black parts below. And again, you get only the dog figure. The same technique applies to letters. Again, here, the white parts are actually part of the background, and if you remove them, the holes of the letters are removed as well. Using the Magic Wand, you can create a new part for all the white areas within the black design, and if you move that away, you will get exactly the area that you need. Another way to do the same thing is to simply select all parts, right-click, and use the Combine option. This time, a new combined object is created where all the overlapping white parts have created holes on the black area. Again, you end up with the initially intended area. Enjoy these smart tracing techniques. Do share with us your projects and don't forget to follow us for more.